Also, RSA is the revised Shamir-Edelman algorithm. Um, as you know, RSA is an asymmetric key algorithm which is named after its creators, Reves, Shamir, and Edelman. The algorithm is based on the fact that the factors of large composite number of difficult when the integers are prime. This method is known as prime factorization. It's generator of public key and the private key. Using public key, we convert plain text to cipher text, and the private key is used for converting cipher text to plain text. Public key is accessible for everyone, whereas private key is kept secret. Public key and the private key are kept different, thus making it more secure algorithm for data security. Here, I would like to talk about the difference between the RSA algorithm and the digital signature algorithm. RSA is the crypto system algorithm. DSA it's the digital signature algorithm. It's RSA is used for secure data transmission. DSA also we use for the authorization. It's like signature and verification of the user. Uh, RSA is developed in the 1977, DSA developed in the 91. Uh, Again, it's the RSA, it's the capital letters of the implementers of this key. DSA developed from the National Institute of Standards and Technology. This national institute implemented all the information security standards. RSA uses mathematical concept of factorization of product of two large primes. DSA uses modular exponentiation and the discrete logarithm. RSA is slower in key generation, while DSA is faster in key generation as compared to RSA. Also, it's the slower in decryption. DSA is faster in decryption. RSA is it's the best suited for verification and encryption. DSA is best suited for signing in and decryption. Here, the formula of how to generate the public key. You should select two prime numbers. Suppose P is 53 and the Q is 59. Now, first part of the public key is N. It's P and the Q. We should умножить 53 and the 59, then it gives us 3127. Then we also need a small exponent, say e, but e must be an integer, not be a factor of this function. Then it's let's now consider it now to be equal to 3, this function. Then our public key is made of n and e. Then we generate private key. We need to calculate this function. This function is p minus 1 and the q minus 1. Then so this function is 3016. Now we calculate the private key with this formula, and for some integer key, for key equal to 2, value is 200 double one. And then now we ready with our public key. We have this number n, and we have a e equal to 3, and also we have private key d. And now we will encrypt the word high. Yes, convert the letters to numbers. H is 8 and I is 9. Thus, encrypted data is the 89e mod n. And thus, our encrypted data comes out to be 1394. Now we will decrypt this data. Then when we decrypt that, we should write C in d degree mod n. Thus our encrypted data comes out to be 89. It means that 8 is H and then I is 9. Its word is I. Using this type of the encryption, we can do some encrypt some data. But also in the Moodle, I will pass the white code in Python, where you can use that during the like implementing Riseki and trying to encrypt some or decrypt some data. Thank you for attention.